Hello everyone. Hello Sir Blaze. Good evening. I am Ivan Ramos from BSSE 2103, presenting to you my final output in geology. My topic is all about solid waste management and design of a sanitary landfill for a Sohar area. First, what is solid waste? Solid waste is refers to a broad range of discarded materials that are generated from various sources including households, business, industries, and agricultural activities. Next, Sohar area. Sohar area is a significant city in the Sultanate of Oman, located on the northern coast of the country along the Gulf of Oman. It is also known for its strategic location for industrial development and growing population area. What about sanitary landfill? A sanitary landfill is an engineered method of disposing of solid waste on land in a manner that protects the environment. It involves spreading the waste in thin layers, compacting into the small practical volume, and covering it with compacted compacted soil by the end of each working day or at the more frequent intervals if necessary. And I'm showing to you the three stages of building a sanitary landfill. First, methane emission table. The objective in this table is to perform a potential table for methane emissions in the Sohar area. The importance of this table is to put to, um, to potent greenhouse gas and understanding the emission from waste. The methodology on this table is to analyze the decomposition process of waste. The second one, designing a sanitary landfill. The objective of this sanitary landfill is to design a sanitary landfill with a 3-year lifespan suitable for the Sohar area. The importance of this sanitary landfill is to engineered facilities that isolates waste from the environment. That methodology consider the population and local environment contamination. The third one, handmade device for landfill. The objective for this landfill is to design a handmade device to analyze the landfill parameters. The importance of this landfill is to accurate the measurement, and the methodology is to handmade device that can measure landfill parameters again. This image, the detailed sanitary landfill drawing for Sohar area. This image is showing to you the all calculations and ideas for building the sanitary landfill. This, the detailed sanitary landfill. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, a bioreactor landfill is an enhanced version of a conventional landfill that accelerates waste decomposition and stabilization through increased microbial activity. In this image, showing to you is the weight of mixing the materials, the weight of each mix. This section, when October, November, December strides, the data analysis parameters include landfill gas, concentrations, temperature, humidity, and leachate pH. These parameters are measured every 2 weeks for each tank for a 20-minute period, with a 5-minute interval between each reading. The outlines of the methodology used to measure landfill gas concentrations, temperatures, humidity, and leachate pH. And this is the ideas of sanitary landfill drawing dimensions. This is the compacted volume of a waste for a 3-year period is calculated by multiplying the population by the waste. This volume is used to determine the dimensions of the landfill. And so now on, how come sanitary landfill relate in geology? Mm, for me, I see the five several key ways to closely related in this topic for geology. The first one, site selection. The site selection is setting of a sanitary landfill site is a critical factor such as soil type, rock formations, and a groundwater presence are essential in determining the suitability of a site for waste disposal. A stable geological environmental helps prevent the contamination of groundwater surface water, which is crucial for environment safety. The second one is geological barriers. During the construction of a landfill, specific geological barriers are required to isolate the waste from the surrounding environment. The third one, topographical and geological conditions. The topography and geological conditions of a site are important for the design and layout of the sanitary landfill. The fourth, the fourth one is past disposal process. After waste is placed in a landfill, geological process continue to act on the waste mass. This process includes sedimentary and post-depositional changes, which can be studied by geologists to understand the long-term behavior of the landfill and its impact to the surrounding of the geology. The last one is environmental impact. The geological characteristics of a site can significantly impact the environmental footprint of a landfill, such as instance, sites with high groundwater tables require additional engineering measures to prevent leachate from contaminating the water supply. So, it is related to sanitary engineering. Yes, it is related in the sanitary engineering. Like sanitary landfills are a critical application of sanitary engineering principles involving careful design, constructions, operations, and management to ensure the safety and effective disposal of solid waste, like while protecting the and public health of solid waste, while protecting the environmental and public health. The summary of this presentation is to geology plays a crucial role in the selection, design, construction, and long-term management of sanitary landfills, ensuring that they are environmental safe and sustainable. Thank you very much.